Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thank you so much for joining me today. So I am back with another DIY video, and on today's video you're going to be getting a 2-for-1 deal. Yes girl, you're welcome. We're going to be doing a hair mask and a face mask all at the same time. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to go through each ingredient and their benefits. Yogurt is full of protein and it offers nourishment that our hair needs to grow stronger. It also contains lactic acid, which is great for cleansing the scalp and cleaning dead skin cells to help your hair follicles flourish. Honey is an emollient, which seals in moisture in your hair and it keeps it conditioned. It also helps strengthen the hair follicles. ACV cleanses the scalp from dead skin cells and it also balances the pH level of the scalp. So as you can see, this is a very easy recipe. All you need is 3 ingredients. Just mix it together and you're good to go. It is the easiest recipe there is and it has great benefits and it does wonders for your hair, and as you will see in a minute, for your skin as well. So let's go over the benefits these ingredients have for your skin. Yogurt reduces fine lines and wrinkles. The lactic acid in yogurt helps dissolve dead skin cells and tightens the pores. Honey, on the other hand, is great for fighting acne thanks to its antibacterial properties, and it also contains moisturizing and anti-aging agents. ACV will help fight against dead skin cells, age spots, acne scars, and overall improves your skin complexion. And it also helps restore the skin natural pH. So after applying the mixture to your hair and your face, remember your neck as well, your neck, your chest, your hands, those are the first places you see signs of aging. So remember to take care of those places as well. So after finish applying the mixture, you want to go ahead and put a plastic bag over your head, like not in over your head like to choke yourself, no, like okay, wrap your head, yeah, with a plastic, please, I beg, don't go and kill yourself. Okay, wrap your head with a plastic bag and let that sit for 30 minutes and let your face dry for 30 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and wash it off. And guys, let me tell you something. My hair was soft, my hair was bouncy, them coils were popping, my hair was shining, and it was just amazing. It was amazing. I love this treatment. Amazing. And if you do too, please support me. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. It's free, guys. It is free. Just press the red button and press the notification bell as well, so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright then, see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.